Bless up.
Woo! Ghost! Gang! Family, what is going on with y'all? Yo, boys, today I'm coming back at y'all with another picture video. You did what I'm saying? If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join the Ghost Gang family. You did what I'm saying. Be a part of something great. Be a part of the culture. Be a part of the family. Everything I'm doing here is strictly for the culture. You dig? Everything I do is here for the culture. Period. Point blank, period. You did what I'm saying? Make sure you smash that like button for the kids. If you are not following me on any social media, please do so. All those links are in the description of this video. Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. You can find those all below in the drop down menu of this video. We are on here today. You know, like I always tell y'all, bro, I always get on here. You feel me? If I see something on the net that catch my eye, I'm gonna make a video. Point blank, period. I'm gonna bring you guys updates. And you know nowadays people want shit in video format, so this is why I'm here to update you guys on certain sneaker releases. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't like to read no more. I'm gonna be 100 with you, man. In this day and age, a lot of niggas don't like to read or do their research on their own, so they type shit in and look for video content of people telling them what's going on in the sneaker community or whatever you have, any type of community, anything, like, you feel me? So that's what I'm here for. That's what this channel is consisted of, and that's what I'm bringing you today. Anyways, I was on Instagram scrolling like per usual. You did what I'm saying? Pictures have just surfaced. Actual legit pictures have surfaced of the Air Jordan 4 Air Max 95. Now, I don't know how to feel about these. I need to see these on feet. Like, just shoes I need to see on feet in general. And these are one shoe that I need to see on foot for me to give an actual opinion on them, because like, I ain't gonna cap. Some shoes I'll be like, damn man, hell no, them shits is ugly as fuck. But then again, when I see them on feet, it be like, okay, I see what is going, like, you feel me? Some shoes look better on feet rather than just in hand. Like, if you see a shoe like in hand, you be like, I don't know about that one, coach. I might have to pass, because it's been a lot I've been wrong. The bitches was fire as fuck when I seen them on foot, and then like, I'll probably miss out on a shoe or something, and it'd be like a limited run, and them shits would be, you know, going. Like I said, I was scrolling on Instagram and I came across MajorKixx, because I follow MajorKixx on Instagram, and they actually had first looks of the Air Jordan 4 Air Max 95 Neon Glow. Actually, this Air Max is actually a fucking, I think this is like a classic colorway for the Air Maxes, because I remember this colorway for the Air Max 95 releasing a while ago. The Air Jordan 4 is gonna release on March 21st for 225 buckaroos, my nigga. Woo! 225. You did what I'm saying? March 21st. That's spring break month, man. That's spring break month for college. So if you're in college and you feel me, I don't know if you wanna, you know, niggas trying to go on trips and shit like Miami for spring break and, you know, Las Vegas, shit like that. Niggas trying to do some fun shit. I don't think niggas are trying to spend that 225 on motherfucking shoes around in March. Jordan brand. That's the lit month. That's, you know, niggas turn up, you know, especially if you trying to, you know, get a profit off those. But I don't know if these gonna sit or not. I don't know if they limited. Honestly, I think they might be a limited run just due to the fact, cause kind of a collab, but it's not, I guess, you know what I mean? It's not a legit collab, but I think just due to the colorway and, you know, they're calling these the Air Max 90. I mean, it's the same colorway. I don't know, man. You know, it's weird. Sneaker culture is weird, okay? And they're saying that they're gonna release on March 21st. But then again, I don't know, because this year, I don't know, just dates been changing a lot. Like, a lot of dates have been changing with shoe releases, and these are so far out, these are bound to change. These might move up, these might move, they might push them back type shit, you know what I'm saying? Pictures have just surfaced, or as far as I know, like, as of today type shit. So I don't know, man, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about these. Like I said, man, this is low-key a classic colorway for just the Air Maxes in general. These Air Max 95s came out a while ago, and that colorway, like, these are one of the first colorways I've seen. Let me know if you guys are gonna cop these. Are you guys interested in cop these? Do you feel like 225 is too much for these? Do you think they should just be set at the regular price point of 190 though? I'm really curious of what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about these. I'm very curious. If you aren't following me on any social media, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all those links are in the description of this video. Make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. It is the one and only MajorKixx.
Hate and say we changing, look, we made it.